Hi guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another of my videos. Today I'm going to be showing you some of my top favorite skincare products and what I like about them, what they're called, and all of that. And most of them really help me on clearing my skin from acne and any like dark spots. So if you want to know more about this, then keep on watching. And don't forget that if you're not subscribed to this video, you can do so by clicking on the button down below and activate the notifications bell button so you don't miss any of my new videos. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first product that I want to show you, it's this makeup remover or like cleanser, and it is the Very Cherry Clean from Pharmacy, and this is, I think it's like a limited edition. So I've seen a lot of products similar to this on Sephora and Ulta, and they're basically like, it's kind of like a wax but not really. It has like this little spatula, and then when you open it you see something like this. So it's kind of like if it was like soap or like a waxy consistency, and then you just grab it with the little spatula and you put it like on your face. You just massage it like all over your face, and you'll probably look a little ugly. Well, not ugly, but just kind of weird because like all the mascara and makeup that you use or whatever. And then after that, you just rinse it and you like do little taps with a washcloth, or you can go ahead and do your normal routine of washing your face and all of your makeup will be gone. So I really like that. I think it's so easy to do, and whenever I run out of my micellar water, or like sometimes I even feel like this one does a better job than the micellar water on like removing all of my makeup and making sure that my skin is completely clean. The next one I want to talk about is this lip scrub, and this is from Lush. This is the unicorn lip scrub, and it has like a blueberry or like grape flavor. So what I do is just I take a little bit and apply it on my lips just like that. And what I love about this one is that after you finish, you can just lick it. You can just lick it and taste it, and it tastes so good. So it's totally safe and it's vegan, so that's why I love Lush. I really have been loving all of their products, especially like this package that I got. It was a gift from my boyfriend, and it was like almost kind of like the lavender edition, so I really liked it, and I love this lip scrub. It leaves my lips feeling so soft, and it also tastes really good and smells amazing. Now that we're talking about scrubs, I want to tell you about these exfoliating sugar cubes, and these are like also like scrubs for the whole body. So it comes like this, and it smells like cucumber. It smells so good, and basically I just take it with me in the shower and pass it all around like this side of my body, and then on my legs, and also on my heels. And I basically concentrate on any rough patches, and I just massage it all over my body. And after that, like, you don't see like results right away, but probably like the second time that you use it, you will see that your skin is feeling a lot softer and way better. And this is from the brand Harper Plus Ari, I'm not sure, and actually I got it on my FabFitFun box, but I'm pretty sure you can find something like this on Sephora or Ulta, and I'm gonna try to link some similar to this down below in the description box if you want to check them out. And the next product that I want to show you guys is my favorite face mask, I guess. It's this like dark spots remover. Like this goes like over your nose and part of your forehead, so it's like the T-zone where you could usually get the most dark spots. And this is from Tony Moly. I honestly, like, I've heard from Tony Moly before, but I never tried any of their products until I tested this one, and I fell in love. Like usually I would use the other ones from Biore or Biore, I don't know how it's pronounced, but they do a good job, but not as good as Tony Moly. Like this one literally removes everything that you don't want in your face. So I really liked it, and I'm gonna like test it out with you guys so you can see like what it looks like. So I added like some water on all of my T-zone, making sure it's all wet, and then I take the face mask or like this little thing from the package, and I always start by applying it on my nose and continuing onto my forehead. and sometimes I go back and add a little bit more water wherever I feel that it's not completely in, and then I let it dry from 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll pull it up and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so 10 minutes have passed and this feels already like very dry, so we're gonna take it off. I always start from like this side on the top. This might be TMI for you guys, so if you don't like to see all this nastiness, then you can like just fast forward to the next product I'm gonna show you. But if you're staying, I'm gonna show you like all of this, how it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's all the nastiness. And that's why I love these thingies, because they actually remove everything that you don't want on your face, and then you end up having a pretty clean skin. And I feel like that's also helped me removing all of the acne and scars that I have on my face. I still have like some dark spots, but I feel like it has cleared up way more than how it used to. And that brings me to the next product that I want to show you, and it's this Kate Summerville Goat Milk Moisturizer. And every time, like after I finish applying any face mask or washing my face, I go ahead and apply some of this moisturizer. It is so soft and it doesn't leave my face looking very oily like a lot of moisturizers do with my skin. And I feel like especially for this summer, it's very important to keep your skin hydrated, moisturized, and looking fresh, because being outside in the sun can also damage your skin. This one you can get it, I think, in Sephora. I'm not sure about Ulta, but I think it's a pretty nice moisturizer, and like I said, it doesn't leave my skin looking very oily. And the last moisturizer that I want to show you is this one. This is from Saturday Skin, and this is a Waterfall Glacial Water Cream, and I use this one to moisturize like my entire body. It is kind of like a gel consistency. I'm gonna show you. It's kind of like this. I don't know if you can see it, but it's more like a gel, and this helps a lot for people who have really dry skin, and that happens to me mostly like on my legs and my arms. They are like very dry, so I have to be moisturizing them a lot throughout the day. So I love using that kind of cream, and I think you can also get that one at Sephora, but I'm gonna try to link it down below for you guys. The only downside about this one, I would say that at first it feels kind of like tacky and very like sticky, but once it dries, it feels so good, and it's a really good moisturizer. I won't recommend it for the face because, like I said, it feels tacky, so like I don't know, I just don't like feeling like that on my face, but on the rest of my body I really like it. It's very lightweight. It really moisturizes like very deep inside. So that's it for this video. I hope that you really like it. If you have any other favorites than the ones that I mentioned, then let me know in the comments down below so that we all can share like some of our skincare products and try new products. So yeah, I hope that you really like this video, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I hope to see you on more of my next videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.